Good morning students and welcome to the video which is based on section formula. So in this video we are going to find out the ratio. We are going to find out the ratio in which the line segment joining the points -310 and 68 is divided by -1 6. If you understand this question, so there are 2 points whose coordinates are -310 and there is another point 6 8. So these are the coordinates of the line segment. Suppose this point is A and suppose this point is B, and this line segment AB is getting divided by another point. That point is -1, 6. And when you are putting any point or when you are passing any line through the given line segment, it will definitely divide the given line segment in some ratio, and that ratio you have to find out. Now if you see the standard section formula, the ratio given is m/n. So that means you have to find out the value of m and you have to find out the value of n. But if you want to find out the value of m and value of n, there are 2 unknowns, and since there are 2 unknowns, we should have 2 equations. Now I will make some modification here. Instead of using 2 unknowns, I am going to use only 1 unknown. Now we know that the ratio is m/n, and suppose if you are dividing this ratio by, n, so we'll get here m by n is to n by n. So this becomes here 1. So m by n is to 1. Now m by n I am going to replace it by k. So k is to 1. So instead of using m is to n, so whenever you have to find out the ratio, we are going to use, let the ratio be k is to 1. And once we find out the value of k, we can very easily write down the required ratio, that is in the form of m is to n. So here also we are going to do the same thing only. Instead of using m is to n, we are going to use, let the ratio be k is to 1. So let the ratio be k is to 1. So let the ratio be k is to 1, and therefore by section formula, so I am going to use the section formula. Therefore by section formula, Pxy must be equal to, your section formula is m plus n, is mx2 plus nx1, and another value is my2 plus ny1 by m plus n. Now if you compare this xy with your given questions, this must be your x1 y1, this must be your x2 y2, this must be your x and y, and this must be your m and n. So let us put the values now. So pxy, so p, the value of x is -1 6, that is equal to m is k plus 1, that is m is k and n is equal to 1. We have taken our ratio as k is to 1, not m is to n. M is to n is the standard. This is the standard section formula. So k plus 1. So k into x2. The value of x2 is 6 plus 1 into the value of x1. The value of x1 is -3 in the bracket, comma. Similarly here also k plus 1. So k into y2 is 8 plus n k1, n is 1 into your y1 is 10, bracket close. So next will be p -1 6 is equal to, let us solve this. This is 6 into k, this is 6k, this is plus 1 into -3, so it becomes plus minus is answered with the bracket by k plus 1 as it is, comma, this is k into 8, it becomes 8k plus 1 into 10 becomes 10 plus 10 by k plus 1. So this is the coordinates pxy must be equal to this one. That means the value of this must be equal to this and the value of this must be. So comparing, so what we are going to do? We are going to compare the x coordinates. We are going to compare the x, because your x coordinate p of minus 1 must be equal to this one. Your y coordinate, that means 6 must be equal to this one. So I am going to compare x coordinate, or if you want you can compare y coordinate also. See which is simple and then you can use it. So I am going to use the first one, that is I am going to compare the x coordinate. So minus 1 must be equal to, this must be equal to, these are also coordinate, these are also coordinate. This is x coordinate and this is also x coordinate. That is equal. So this must be equal to this one. So minus 1 must be equal to 6k plus of bracket minus 3 becomes minus 3 by k plus 1. Rest is simple calculations. So what I am going to do, I am going to use the knowledge of my linear equation. So k I am going to transfer here. So minus 1 multiplied by k plus 1 is equal to 6k minus 3. So minus k minus 1 must be equal to 6k minus 3. I am going to take the values of k on same side. So minus k minus 6k is equal to minus 3. I am going to transfer this plus minus 1 on the other side becomes plus 1. Minus 6k is transferred on this side becomes minus 6k, and minus 1 is going to transfer on that side becomes plus 1. So this becomes minus 7k is equal to minus 3 plus this minus 2. So minus and get cancelled. So 7k is equal to 2. That means k is equal to 2 by 7. That means this line or this point minus 1 6 divides the line segment AB in the ratio, and the ratio is 2:7. So your first numerator should be m and your denominator should be 7. So the ratio is what? Ratio is 2:7. So we can write down the last. Therefore the ratio is 2:7. You should not flip the numerator and denominator. If you are changing or interchanging, then you are getting the wrong answer. So the ratio is 2:7. So let us do one more question based on the same type, where we are going to have this line segment divided by x or y axis, and that we are going to do it in the next video. Time being, thank you.